Fish oil is one of the most popular brain supplements on Earth, and a 2-year clinical trial just confirmed it offers no measurable cognitive benefits. To understand why this is so surprising, look at the composition of the human brain. It is roughly 60% fat. About 15% of that total fat is DHA, the primary omega-3 found in fish oil. The theory was straightforward. Supplementing DHA provides the raw materials to fortify the outer layers of your brain cells, theoretically leading to better cognitive function. Early animal studies supported this logic. Rodent data from the 1990s showed that DHA supplementation improved memory in controlled trials. The supplement industry commercialized these rat studies into a billion-dollar market decades before human trials could verify the effect in people. A plausible biological theory combined with animal testing is a starting point, but it lacks the weight of human clinical validation. That validation finally arrived, and it dismantled the story. A June 2026 randomized controlled trial and a 2022 Cochrane review covering over 3,000 adults tested the hypothesis directly. This cross-section of the blood-brain barrier illustrates the findings of the 2026 trial. The supplement performed as expected mechanically. The DHA elevated omega-3 levels in the blood and successfully crossed the barrier into the brain. Once inside, the DHA incorporated into brain tissue, satisfying the structural requirements predicted by the 1990s hypothesis. However, when researchers measured the results, testing memory, processing speed, and Alzheimer's markers, the cognitive difference was zero. This trial removed the last defense of fish oil advocates. We can no longer claim the DHA failed to reach the brain. It arrived at the destination. It simply failed to change cognitive outcomes. Achieving a molecular change in a brain cell does not guarantee a measurable improvement in human intelligence or memory. If we move past the failed structural theories, a few supplements remain that are backed by human clinical evidence. Creatine monohydrate is taken at 3 to 5 grams daily. Your brain runs on ATP, cellular energy. Creatine regenerates that energy quickly under heavy cognitive load. Across 9 randomized trials, this energy boost drove significant improvements in working memory, particularly during mental fatigue. The effect size recorded in these trials exceeds the results found in any omega-3 study to date. Cognitive stamina depends on direct energy regeneration, shifting the focus from structural maintenance to active cellular power. Next is phosphatidylserine, dosed at 100 milligrams 3 times daily. It holds an FDA-qualified claim for cognitive function. Phosphatidylserine achieves the membrane integrity goal that fish oil failed to deliver. Crucially, this structural effect is linked to cognitive results in human trials going back decades. There is also magnesium L-threonate, taken at 1.5 to 2 grams daily. This is the only form of magnesium shown to cross the blood-brain barrier. As shown in this neural network model, this magnesium increases synaptic density, the connection points between neurons. A 2024 trial demonstrated that this leads to measurable improvements in executive function for older adults. Optimizing the brain requires molecules that cross the biological barrier and trigger structural improvements in human subjects. Fish oil is a cardiovascular supplement. While it has real benefits for the heart, the brain health marketing story was built on data that didn't translate to humans. This illustrates the translational gap, the tendency for the supplement industry to sell products based on animal data before human trials verify them. For those prioritizing memory or focus, creatine or phosphatidylserine offer clearer evidence and better cost efficiency than fish oil. Cognitive health requires the same evidentiary rigor as any other medical intervention. Always demand the human data. Follow for more information.